Want to build a comprehensive expense analysis dashboard in under 2 minutes? This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our expense data into Bricks. Simply upload your file and the platform immediately processes it. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch the AI work its magic. Bricks Artificial Intelligence is analyzing our expense data, identifying key patterns and relationships. It's automatically determining the most valuable insights to visualize, from spending trends to vendor analysis, payment methods, and category breakdowns. The AI considers data types, relationships, and business context to create meaningful charts and tables. Our comprehensive expense analysis dashboard is complete. We've got 8 dynamic charts showing receipt availability, top expenses, vendor analysis, payment methods, monthly trends, reimbursable versus non-reimbursable expenses, category breakdowns, and expense patterns over time. Plus 2 summary tables for deeper analysis. Let's customize the theme to match our brand. Now we'll enter presentation mode for stakeholder meetings. This full-screen view removes distractions, letting you focus on insights. Navigate seamlessly between visualizations, zoom into specific data points, and present findings clearly to your team or executives. Back to edit mode, every element remains fully interactive. You can modify charts, adjust filters, and drill down into specific data segments anytime. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.